Pat Gatz here from Hunting for Greatness. I got to put in a review for this Raptor of mine. Man, it is awesome. Like, I'm right now towing 11,000 pounds of bear bait plus a four-wheeler. And to top it off, I'm only running on half my power right now. And this sexy girl is still giving her. So, anyone who runs anything against Fords, hey, come talk to me. Because I got something to tell you. Check this shit. See, look at that. I got service lights on, motor lights on, wrenches on. My freaking dashboard is lighting up fireworks right now. And the whole thing, my Raptor's still pulling. Still pulling. That's Ford, baby. That's Ford. Out.